A team called Sway, down in the New Forest where I grew up. Yeah, it's great times. Playing with your mates, enjoying it, and that progressed, and I moved on to Bournemouth when I was about 14 or 15. Always a striker, yeah. Always goal hanging, yeah. I couldn't do that defensive work. It's not for me. I grew up supporting Southampton, and it was Matt Letizia. He was always the player with the shirt on the name of the back, and always the player you wanted to be on the pitch when you step out. And he was brilliant, but all goal scorers really. Yeah, that's what I was interested in. France '98. That was the first major tournament I really remember, I suppose. It was the final with Brazil and France. Hobbies, do love a bit of golf. It's been nice to get a round out here actually in the sunshine. Haven't played that much at home because the weather's never really that great, and a bit of fair weather. But if not, box sets and just chilling out after training. Well, I just finished Narcos as well, the first series, so yeah, brilliant. As footballers, I think you spend a lot of time chilling out after training, after hard work, so box sets get done a lot.